This 2007 Nissan Altima had a exhaust leak in the front. It ended up being underneath the exhaust manifold. We couldn't see it, so we had to take it off. And we got it on a bench here, and we're taking it apart. Take the shield off, and probably going to find a crack here in a second. Alright, we got the manifold off here, and this is what we found. Right there. Cracked along the body line there. The mechanical converter itself is pretty good. You can see, kind of hard to see in there, but it's in good condition. We went through this side with the camera, and it's in perfect condition. We're going to go ahead and weld it because it didn't have a check engine light on or nothing. And reinstall it, and this should work out fine. Alright, we welded it up, started welding it. It actually started cracking more as we welded it. Went all the way around. So this should work out pretty good. Put it on right now and start it up.